And now for all the details. In a major push for infrastructure development, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday laid the foundation stone of various projects worth over Rs 7,000 crore in Chhattisgarh state. The projects include 5 national highway projects, the doubling of railway lines and a new rail route. The Prime Minister also initiated the distribution of 75 lakh cards to the beneficiaries under the Ayushman Bharat scheme. He emphasized that the delay in the development of any given region is directly related to the lack of infrastructure. Later in the day, he also held a rally in Raipur, setting the tone for the assembly election later this year in Chhattisgarh, where the Congress party is in power.
इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर यानी लोगों के जीवन में आसानी, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर यानी व्यापार कारोबार में आसानी, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर यानी रोजगार के लाखों नए अवसरों का निर्माण और इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर यानी तेज विकास.
The High Court in India's Gujarat rejected an appeal by opposition Congress party leader Rahul Gandhi on Friday to suspend his conviction in a defamation case, quashing for now his hope of returning to parliament and contesting national elections due next year. Gandhi was convicted last month in a case brought by a state lawmaker from the ruling BJP over his comment in a speech during the 2019 election campaign that were deemed to be insulting to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other people surnamed Modi. Rahul Gandhi was sentenced to 2 years imprisonment, but the jail term was put on hold and he was given bail. Congress workers held protest over the latest court ruling. Rahul Gandhi is a fierce Modi critic and his main challenger in the 2024 polls. But he risks losing his eligibility to run in elections for the next 8 years if a court does not overturn his conviction. And India has slammed the move by the Permanent Court of Arbitration in The Hague to reject its objections to a Pakistan-initiated procedure over water use in the Indus River basin. India's foreign ministry has called the arbitration proceeding illegal, as a neutral expert was also looking at the issue, and the World Bank broker treaty prohibits parallel proceedings. The neighbors have been arguing over hydroelectric projects on the shared Indus River and its tributaries for decades, with Pakistan complaining that India's planned hydropower dams in upstream areas will cut flows on the river, which feeds 80% of its irrigated agriculture. India has said it will boycott the Hague court proceedings, questioning its competence.
And I don't think, legal sophistry or due process or facade is not going to compel India to participate in what we think are patently illegal proceeding instituted in contravention of the treaty, that is the PCA.